Hello guys. Now in the Philippines, and from what I can see on the internet, other Asian countries are pretty much the same. You tend to, on occasion, I'm not saying all the time, but some of the time, you tend to get charged foreigner price, foreigner tax, whatever you want to call it. It's obvious why they do that, because obviously they feel you have more money and you can afford it. Now we can argue on the right and wrongs, but at the end of the day, it's just reality, I'm afraid. So you have to be very, very careful, and that's why most of the time, not the last few years, but most of the time when I first met Mel, she'd insist she went to ask prices, because obviously she was aware that the prices would go up if they knew it was a foreigner paying for it. Now, however, I have a little bit of a unknown in the Philippines. It's a situation that's very rare, where I go to get a certain fruit or fruits, sometimes fruits, and not only do I not get overcharged, she's that sweet she undercharges me. Now I'm hoping to be able to walk in and her not be camera shy, and actually I can show you what she does, because you'll be absolutely amazed. And it's legit, it's not, staged or anything like that. I just want you to watch what she does. She's lively and sweet, and she's very kind, and she's got a little boy, and he's an amazing little kid. But anyway, let's get there, and then I'll show you the people you could come upon in the Philippines. Look guys, I'm here. I'm just about to show you. If you're in Naga's that way. This is Angel Burger, look. Everybody knows where Angel Burger is. This is going to, the road here is going to Camaligan, where the floating restaurant is. So look guys, it's a fruit shop. And listen, before I go in, she's really sweet. She's very sweet, kind to me anyway. And all the fruit is fresh. Everything's fresh. And it's well priced, as you can see, look. It's not overpriced. Hello.
Hello.
Can I have some banana? 100 lang.
100. Okay.
100.
I give you 100.
Oh. Now you watch. If it's overpriced, she'll just say 100. Right.
I give you.
And sometimes she'll give me something else. Sometimes. Let's have a look. It's 125. I said 100.
No, I give you 100.
Oh, bless
Okay, I
you.
give you 100.
That's lovely. And
Because you're my friend.
she's sweet, because I'm her friend. But look guys, it's not everywhere in the Philippines you're going to get foreigner price. You're going to come to a place like this and meet a woman like this. She's so sweet, she's got a good heart, she's very kind. So if you're in Naga, come and support the business. Come and buy something from here and say thanks for treating us foreigners nice, because it's not just me guys. She treats everybody really nice, foreigners with respect. She's very sweet. So next time you're in Naga, or if you're in Naga, give this place a visit. Thanks for watching. See you next time guys. Say bye.
Bye. Bye.
Bye.